Install simple, reliable safeguards so tubs and sinks cannot be overfilled by kids or anyone else. Start by making the plumbing and finishes inherently tolerant of water. During renovations, waterproof flooring should extend up walls at least 4 inches, and all wall penetrations should be sealed with waterproof membrane or sealant to stop leaks from reaching subfloors. Fit overflow alarms on tubs and sinks. Choose battery-backed models with a loud audible alert and place them where a caregiver will hear them from common areas. Upgrade or install overflow drains that meet modern standards and are free of obstructions. Test them monthly by filling to the overflow level to ensure they drain properly. Use toilet-based sealant and check wax rings annually to prevent slow leaks that mimic overflows. Teach children clear rules about water use, demonstrate how to stop faucets and where the main water shutoff is located, and make stopping the flow part of routine play supervision. For extra protection, consider automatic shutoff valves that sense continuous flow for more than a preset time and cut the water until manually reset. The 3 most common problems are ignoring slow leaks, relying solely on behavioral controls, and improper or absent overflow hardware. Slow leaks are often dismissed until they cause major damage, so inspect seals and drainage routes and repair them promptly. Counting on kids to remember rules fails under distraction, so combine education with physical controls such as alarms and automatic shutoffs. Many older fixtures lack effective overflow drains, so replace or retrofit them when you renovate and test after installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like these, helping us find local professionals and equipment recommendations. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot preventative measures together.